Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to export multiple artboards at once in Affinity Studio. Now to do this, the first thing I want you to do is go ahead and open up Affinity Studio and then come here on this top panel, click on these three dots, and then what I want you to do is just make sure Slice is actually toggled on. And if Slice is toggled on, you should see that option right here. I want you to click on it. This will open up Slice Studio. And then what you need to do is come here on the right hand panel. You'll see export options and you'll see slices here. So you can select any of your artboards and you can change the file format if you want. I'll leave this one as PNG and this one also as PNG. Now to export them, what you need to do is click here on export slices. And if you do that, this pop-up will open up asking you to go ahead and save these files in a specific folder. So I'll come here, click on pictures, and then we'll just name this one artboards. Then I'll go ahead and export it to this folder. So I'll click on that, and as you can see, it is exporting these items. Now if I come here to my pictures folder, we should see artboards right here, and if I double click on them, as you can see, both of these are .png files. So really that easy. If you found this helpful, make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to the channel. It really helps me out as well.